Everybody, I'm here today to show you how to set up AirPods. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have my iPhone and I have a pair of AirPods, a set of AirPods, I should say. They're really easy to set up. What you want to do is unlock your iPhone. Okay, my iPhone has face recognition, so I unlocked it right there. And then you want to take your AirPods, bring them close by, and open up the case. Okay, when you open up the case, it's going to recognize that there are AirPods nearby. You're going to hit the connect button, and sometimes it's just going to connect by itself. Other times you're going to have to press and hold the button on the back of the charging case like that. So I'm pressing and holding it down just like that. I can release it now. It says connecting, and now they're connected already. I don't want to set up my Siri right now, and I don't want to announce my messages. Other than that, it's good to go. You can see these are Master Mike's AirPods. That's my name on my phone. And it shows the battery percentage of both the case and the AirPods themselves, and that's when you know that they have been set up properly. I'm going to hit done, and we're good to go. When you bring them close, it shows the battery percentage. Once again, that's what happened right there. So I'm going to go ahead and lock my phone, and that's it. It's actually really easy to do. It's so simple. You pop them open close to your iPhone when your iPhone is unlocked and on the home screen. Then you just simply hit connect, and sometimes it's going to work right away. Other times you're going to have to press and hold this button on the back. It all depends. Really easy and straightforward to do, and I've shown you exactly how to do it in this video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.